Hey guys, for today's progressive programming workout of the day, we are going into our primary strength, the back squat. Now, last month we finished out our secondary strength, the back squat, with a 7 set of 1, establishing a 1 rep max for that particular day. Now, we want to use that same percentage and translate that into this month's focus so that way we can work off of some current percentage work. Now, today we are going to go into 5 sets of 5, working between 75 and 85% of last week's 7 by 1. Now, as we go into this session, we got to keep in mind, our goal here is to work within a current percentage, not a percentage from 5 years ago. So having that 5 by 1 as a current up-to-date number, use that to find and establish your working sets. Now, our working sets are going to happen between that 75 and 85% window. So as we warm up to that weight percentage, then what we got to keep in mind is minimizing the volume, because 5 by 5 will add up to tax out the legs pretty substantially. So when we go into it, maybe warm up with sets of 2s and 3s with larger incremental jumps until we find our 75%, which is where we're going to begin our first set of 5. Then we'll continue on through that until we complete our 5. Now we can work up and down between that percentage, just make sure that we're not maybe starting too low or going too hard depending on how it's feeling. Now, once we finish out our back squat session, we are going to move into a monostructural conditioning piece, which is going to be on the rower or runner. If we're running, we're going to be working with a 600-meter run with 1 minute rest, 400-meter run, 1 minute rest, and then a 200-meter run to cap it out. Now, this is intended to be a hard effort. So we are scoring the total time, and the 1 minute rest is a part of that score. So when we begin, make sure that we're getting ourselves nice and ready for some running, but let's think about our pace. That longer run, we may want to pace out a little bit slower, where as we come back down in the distance, we can increase our intensity a lot harder. So make sure we're moving well and have fun, guys.